Birds sitting on a tree are never afraid of a branch breaking because their trust is not on the branch but on its wing. It is rightly said, believe in yourself, and I totally agree. As the participants believe in themselves. Keeping the spirit high, we will resume our today's event.
We dance for laughter.
We dance for tears.
We dance for madness.
We dance for fears.
We dance for hopes.
We dance for screams.
We are the dancers.
We create the dreams.
So now presenting before you all the group dance by our girls with the theme of Namaste.
Namaste, Namaste, हाथ जोड़ो जोड़ो करो नमस्ते, 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 हाथ जोड़ो जोड़ो करो नमस्ते, don't worry, सब हो जाएगा ठीक, strong बनो, don't be weak, जमीन हम लोगों का मैला हुआ है, इसीलिए वायरस ये फैला हुआ है, सब स्टॉप हो गया, सेंसेक्स ड्रॉप हो गया, मत करो तो कितना पैनिक डूब जाएगी फिर टाइटैनिक ट्रैवलिंग को रोक दो इस वायरस को ठोक दो जोक नहीं सीरियस है ये मैटर मिस्टीरियस है दो आपका बकरी का वो दाल सब्जी ज्यादा खाओ भीड़ भाड़ में कम जाओ ड्रिंक हो जाओ जिम जाओ गले लगाना हाथ मिलाना सब छोड़ रही है पब्लिक दुनिया भर की अब हाथ जोड़ रही है हाथ जोड़ना बोले तो नमस्ते नमस्ते तुम भी सब करो ना फिर भूल जाएंगे रस्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते हाथ जोड़ो जोड़ो करो नमस्ते 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 हाथ जोड़ो जोड़ो करो नमस्ते 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 हाथ जोड़ो जोड़ो करो नमस्ते 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 हाथ जोड़ो जोड़ो करो नमस्ते
Wow, it's mesmerizing.
Now we have Dr. Ganesh Shankar as a chief guest. He is the assistant professor in the Department of Psychiatry at GSVM Medical College, Kanpur. He has been awarded with many awards. He is even a member of Indian Medical Association and Indian Medical Legal and Ethics Association. Not only that, he is the writer of a book, Demystifying Depression. Sir, you are a real gem. He is connected with you all to give you all blessings virtually. Sir, we request you to enlighten the audience with your motivational words.
A very good evening to all of you. Myself Dr. Ganesh Shankar. I am assistant professor and acting head of the Department of Psychiatry, GSVM Medical College, Kanpur. At the outset, I would like to express my deep sense of gratitude towards your principal, Mrs. Lucky Jain, Gaurav Memorial International School, Kanpur, to deliver my talk in your first Youth Jazz 2020 Techno-Cultural Fiesta.
We Gorvians feel extremely honored to have a special guest for this event, Dr. Sarvanan Matheswaran, the Assistant Professor in the Department of Biological Science and Bioengineering at IIT Kanpur. He has been selected for the Innovative Young Biotechnologist Award for the year 2016. We are proud to have you, sir. Can you please enlighten the audience?
Dear students, I am Dr. Sarvanan Matheswaran from IIT Kanpur. I am delighted to meet you all virtually today. You all are bright students and who are going to be the pillar of our nation. Explore new possibilities. Be willing to expand your skills in every assignment you take and take your ability to next level. Don't settle for less of what you deserve. So dare to dream big. This would push you to do more. Never leave things hanging. Always aspire to complete your goal. I wish you all for your success stay happy and be safe.
Thank you so much, sir, for your motivational words.
Where words fail, music speaks. Music is a piece of art that goes in the ears straight to the heart. So now presenting before you all a melodious group singing which defines unity in this pandemic time. With the title, We Are One.
So please give a huge round of applause to them.
When we walk, when we sleep, when we rise, we are one. When we laugh.
towards heaven, whichever direction you turn.
फिर से शहरों में रौनक आएगी,
फिर से गांव में लौटेगी हंसी,
फिर से साथ सारे यार होंगे,
ना होगी पाबंदी ना रोक ही कोई।
और फिर से मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया।
तो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया। Together we can fight every situation. So now let us welcome Aishwarya James of class 8 before you all. So please give a big round of applause for her.
सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे, पटरी पे पहिए भागेंगे, गूंजेंगे खेलों के मैदान, बांटेंगे हम खुशियाँ, लंबी हम मिलकर बांटेंगे, से होगी सपनों की उड़ान, जो साथ देते सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया।
Wow, even I feel like I should dance. What about you, Rachit Bhaiya?
Yes, me too. So, moving forward, as the name of the event, Youth Jest, we have one of our youth of our school, Shreyans Gaur, with a song Ilhai to express his jest. So please welcome him.
Hello everyone, I am Shreyans Gaur from the team Jest. I am in class 10th. I am singing the song Ilahi. शामें मलंग सी, रातें सुरंग सी, बागी उड़ान पे ही ना जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए, इलाही मेरा जी आए आए। कल पे सवाल है, जीना फिलहाल है, खाना बदोशियों पे ही जान क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए, इलाही मेरा जी आए आए। मेरा था सफर कांधे पे मेरा बस्ता, चला मैं जहाँ ले चला मुझे रास्ता, यादों के नहीं भूलों के समंदर पे ओ हो इलाही मेरा जी आए आए, इलाही मेरा जी आए आए। शामें मलंग सी, रातें सुरंग सी, बागी उड़ान पे ही ना जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए, इलाही मेरा जी आए आए। इलाही मेरा जी आए आए, इलाही मेरा जी आए ही मेरा जी आए आए. Thank you.
The strumming of his guitar is still in my ears.
Moving forward, a lady whose vision is irony, towered commands, perfection, acted as a catalyst in many success stories, and is a motivating force for all Gauravians. It also justifies for our reverential Vice Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Lucky Jan, to come and deliver the speech. Can we have you, ma'am, on the stage?
Greetings to all. It is with great pleasure I welcome you all to the another exciting year of UJEST 2020-21. I consider myself very fortunate to work with our dedicated, innovative team UJEST. We are here to make good things happen for other people, and we did through this first ever virtual techno-cultural fiesta organized for 2 days. We feel privileged to lead this cultural festival, which offered the great opportunity for the participants of more than 80 schools. Our team set high standard expectations and were ready for any future challenges to make this event successful. I congratulate all the participants for the efforts you have to put in your respective events. It's not whether you win or lose, it's how you play the game. Winning keeps you strong, but losing makes you stronger in life. So be ready for the next battle and overcome your fear. Good luck and warm wishes for you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words of wisdom.
We have one special guest from Canada. His name is Jason. He is studying in El Dorado Public School and his YouTube channel is JJ Cubings. So now, let's have a look what he wants to say.
Hello, my name is Jason Watan. I am 9 years old and I live in Canada, Queen Street, 1957, Queen Street West. I am in 4th grade and today I'll be showing you how I solved the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. And boom, it's done. If you want to know how to do it, go to my YouTube channel, JJ Cubing. Please subscribe and yeah, bye.
We have few of our guests who were part of our school and now they are at respectable places. So let's hear it out what they want to say.
Hi everyone, my name is Anushi Dixit and I'm a proud alumni of Gaurav Memorial International School. Walking down the memory lane of school days makes me completely nostalgic. It's said, a person learns maximum in his school days. We not only make long-term friendship but also mentorship and guidance from the teachers that stays apart till the end. Let me give you a quick introduction about myself. I passed my 12th schooling in year 2013. Post, I did my graduation in commerce from Delhi University. I got hands-on experience on working with companies like Deloitte, People Matters. Swimming, skating are a few activities I had picked up during school times and it still works as a stress buster for me. I had always been fascinated by aviation and I was lucky to complete and excelled training in airlines and joined Indigo for 3 years as cabin attendant. Seeing the current situation and work from home, I switched and currently working as an account analyst for Encore Limited. I'm a firm believer of hard work and dedication. Like I mentioned, these times especially have taken a toll over the world There will be times where one will feel demotivated. I would urge you all to have confidence in yourself, because if you are confident within, you will have your worries and challenges sorted along the way. What you stand always define you as a person. I am extremely excited to be a part of this event, and please feel free to connect with me over email at anushri93dixit@gmail.com and drop me any questions I can help you with now or in future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Captain Rajanshu, an alumnus of Gaurav Memorial International School, pass out of 2013 batch and currently serving in the Indian Army. It gives me immense pleasure and a sense of pride to be able to associate with my school once again and be contributing to this amazing event. I would like to express my sincere regards to the school authorities for selecting me for the same. Yes, I have been told to give a few words of motivation, but that seems to be a tough job, because what I feel is that motivation is something that always comes from within. If you are self-motivated, then it is you whom you are competing against. And mind you, when the competition is against you, you can never be the best. And this will always keep you pushing towards achieving greater heights and a better future. That, I think, would be my advice to all budding scholars of our school. Wish you great luck and lots of success. See you soon.
Hello everyone, my name is Rajat Jain. I passed my 12th from Gaurav Memorial International School in the year 2016, and in my school time I was very much involved in sports events. And let me tell you something about myself. I am a national level gold medalist in powerlifting, and my journey of powerlifting started in my school itself when I was in class 11th. Before that, earlier I used to play other sports like cricket, football, volleyball and so on. But my focus was not in one sport only. I was exploring many sports. So one day what happened, my games teacher, Mr. Saurabh Gaur, he told me that in our city, Kanpur, there was an event of state level. So he told me that you should give it a try. So I went there and I played that event, and I got third place, and it was not a planned event. I just got there, I played and I stood third. So it excited me a lot, and it influenced me that my interest suddenly switched towards powerlifting, and from then onwards I just prepared myself for higher events, for higher level events, and today I am gold medalist in many of the national championships, and at the state level championships also I stood many times. I got gold medal in my weight category, and also I am a record holder in deadlift at state level in my weight category. So I am just trying to tell you that not everything in your life is planned. You should keep exploring yourself, that what is good for you, what is best for you. Okay, it is not just like that you plan something and you not achieved in it, then you should stop doing. You should try some other thing. Who knows that you are good in which field. Okay, so for today I wish all the best to all the candidates for today's event. Okay, thank you and best of luck.
Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good and excited for the Youth Gist 2020. I'm Saurabh Verma, and I did my schooling from Gaurav Memorial International School, and I graduated in the year 2015. After that I prepared for IIT JEE and I did my BTech in Textile Technology from IIT Delhi. I graduated this very year, that is 2020. Before sharing some aspects of my journey, I would like to discuss about the career choosing phase in school life, which is a very important phase, I would say, through which I would like to convey some important message as well, which helped me a lot. I've observed that in many cases students find it difficult to choose like what they will be doing as a professional in future, and I'm very glad to see that schools are putting efforts to fill this gap of doubts among students. To all the students who are setting goals for their future, be it any competitive exam or be it your boards or be it your regular school exams. Also, those who are deciding on which stream they would choose, I would like to just advise him that there's nothing that you cannot do or you cannot achieve. All what is needed is your hard work and passion towards your work. If you're passionate enough and confident that you are able to put the efforts that are required to achieve your goal, I would say that is enough. You should not doubt your capabilities any further. Everything will positively come in phase sooner or later. Why am I saying this? This is just because this is what I personally feel from my past experiences. Due to various factors, for example, I faced doubt as well that what I'll be doing as a professional in future. Afterwards, when I chose to be an engineer and I was preparing, I was always in doubt whether I'll be able to clear the exam or whether I'll be able to manage good percentage in boards, just because I was an average student. But now I see that all those doubts were useless. But there was one thing, that in all those doubtful phases, what I never left was hard work, which made me what am I today. So in a nutshell, I would like to say, besides thinking that what others will think or what will be the result of your preparation, focus on your goal and how to achieve it. And I hope this piece of advice would help some students in some way or other. Finally, I would like to thank the team YouthGest who provided me this platform to interact with school students, and I'm really excited to be a part of YouthGest with you. See you soon. Bye bye.
How can we forget the man behind the success of GMIS? Our Vice Chairman, Sir, Mr. P.K. Katiyar. Can we have you, sir, to give a vote of thanks?
You guess our management, school management, all the staff members and the participants. Today we are going to close our YouthGest 2020, and we have seen a very interesting program throughout the function. This year it's a special program which is online because of the COVID-19. We cannot physically meet to avoid the epidemic, and as such we have to do all this online. This program is to interact with the various colleges and to increase the understanding between the students and to gain proficiency in various activities like dance, drama and other activities which have been included in this zest. I am thankful to all the staff who have participated to organize this, and all the participants of the various schools who have given their valuable time to make this success. I am thankful to the chief guests who have given their valuable time to increase, to motivate the participants and to grace the occasion. I am thankful to all the staff and school authorities who have worked and made this program success in a very short time. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your praising words.
So now, the most awaited moment has arrived, the result declaration ceremony. So, the result for the various events are going to be on your screen. Here we go.